Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to tell you about Amazon dropshipping. Dropshipping is an order fulfillment option that follows e-commerce business to outsource procuring, storing and shipping products to a third party. This order fulfillment method appeals to entrepreneurs seeking low overhead and low capital investments, but it can come at a cost. E-commerce is competitive. Dropshipping may appeal to entrepreneurs looking to sell generic products, but it can limit opportunities to build a brand or differentiate products. Thus, businesses that use dropshipping may wind up competing on price, leading to low margins. If you are considering dropshipping for your e-commerce business, there are several factors you should review, including some variations and alternatives that offer similar benefits. So first of all, let us see what is dropshipping. Dropshipping allows you, the seller, to outsource the fulfillment process to a third party, typically as a supplier. The manufacturer or third party supplier handles the production, storage, shipping, and delivery of products to the customer. This business model appeals to some e commerce sellers because it can decrease overhead and operating costs. In some dropshipping agreements, you handle marketing and customer service, while the dropshipping service manages the physical goods and fulfillment. How does dropshipping work? When you work with a dropshipping supplier, you pay them to fulfill products when a customer places an order. The exact logistics of dropshipping depend on your arrangement, but typically the dropshipping process follows this general sequence. Your dropshipping supplier sources or produces the product. You make an arrangement with the dropshipping supplier. Your dropshipping supplier stores the inventory. You host the e-commerce storefront or web store. A customer places an order. You process the payment. You forward the order to the dropshipping service. This dropshipping service prepares the order. The dropshipping services ships the products. Usually you send customers orders to the dropshipper. Then you inform customers the products are on the way, and the rest of the physical fulfillment process is out of your hands. Now let us see who are the key players in the dropshipping model. Let's unpack some of the key players and their roles in detail, starting with the seller of record, in other words, your e-commerce business. Seller of record. The dropshipping process starts with you. As the seller of record, SOR, you are the individual identified as selling the product to the end consumer. You set the price, record the purchase as revenue, and assume responsibility for the sales tax on a particular sale. Even when a third party stocks and ships the items, you are the seller of the record because you own the products before they ship to the customer. For Amazon sellers, using a dropshipping service is generally allowed by Amazon dropshipping policy, as long as you are the seller of record and identify yourself as such. Manufacturers. Manufacturers make products to sell to wholesalers and retailers. You can purchase goods from manufacturers, but the bulk purchase amounts they may require can potentially be a barrier to starting or scaling your business. Some manufacturers may offer dropshipping services. Wholesalers. In a typical product supply chain, wholesalers buy from manufacturers and sell to retailers at a slight markup. They function as middlemen. Generally, they do not sell to the end consumers but may provide dropshipping services to retailers. Determine which dropshipping providers could be right for you based on your business model and fulfillment requirements, among other factors. Now, let's see the potential pros and cons of dropshipping. In e-commerce, as in life, there are advantages and disadvantages to any fulfillment approach. Whether the gains are worth the pain largely depends on your goals and business situation. Here are potential pros and cons to consider when weighing whether dropshipping is right for your e-commerce business. Possible benefits of dropshipping include overhead costs. Since you don't store or ship the products, dropshipping has the potential to lower your overhead costs, such as maintaining a storage facility or sending products to customers. Starting costs. Entrepreneurs looking to start a business with minimum investment may turn to dropshipping as they don't need to invest in facilities or resources to process orders. Multi-channel selling. You can use dropshipping for your business while selling on your own domain through a store like Amazon or social media channels, or all of the above. Operating location. Dropshipping allows you to fulfill orders regardless of your operating location, opening up a possibility to work from anywhere. Scalability. Leveraging suppliers can make it feasible to accept more orders without increasing the inventory you store, package, and ship. Potential limitations of dropshipping include competition. Given the low cost and investment to get started, dropshipping is a highly competitive field. Product quality. Dropshipping reduces your involvement in the order fulfillment process, curtailing your ability to monitor and guarantee product quality. Branding. Because the products you sell may not be unique or distinguishable from similar offerings by the other sellers, you could have trouble differentiating your offering. Profit margins. Little to no product differentiators mean your business may end up competing more aggressively on price. Selling at lower prices can eat up your profit margin. Fulfillment timeline. When a dropshipping service handles the fulfillment process, you do not have to control over order selection, packaging, and shipment. Inventory management. Up to the minute, updates on what is available in stock may not be possible. If a customer places an order to only find the product is out of stock, this poor experience can discourage future orders and damage your brand. Range of offers. Because you don't handle order fulfillment, you may be limited in the special offers and promotions you can run, such as bundling or free shipping. For some business, dropshipping limitations do not outweigh the potential benefits. Luckily, if you want to lower your inventory and order fulfillment costs, a service like Fulfillment by Amazon may be an option. For some sellers, FBA provides a happy medium, offering many of the benefits of dropshipping without the downsides. Fulfillment by Amazon, a dropshipping alternative with added perks. Fulfillment by Amazon, which is also called FBA, offers similar benefits to dropshipping while giving you more control over your brand experience. You don't need to sell products in Amazon stores to use FBA. Although with an audience of hundreds of millions of unique visitors each month, Amazon is a selling channel worth considering. With FBA, you store products in an Amazon fulfillment center, and we offer quick delivery with Prime shipping, manage customer service, take care of returns, notify you when you need to restock products. Let's see how FBA works. You decide the products and quantities you'd like to fulfill and send them our way, like Amazon's way. Amazon receives the products into their network and store them in Amazon fulfillment centers. Then as orders arrive, they pick, pack and ship the products on your behalf. Amazon manages customer service and returns on these orders. Now let's see, is dropshipping right for you? It depends on your business. Here are a few questions to ask yourself if you are considering dropshipping. How do you want to build your brand? Your brand is the look and feel of customer-facing aspects of your business. Building a memorable brand impression can help grow customer loyalty. While you may be able to create a branded online experience, dropshipping gives you less control over product quality, delivery, experience, and the aesthetics of final package. If the products and packaging fall short of expectations, a customer may choose not to purchase from your brand again. Dropshipping suppliers often offer little room for product customization. This limitation may make it difficult to set your brand apart from the competition. How much control do you want over product quality? Product quality can have a big impact on other aspects of your business, such as customer acquisition, brand loyalty, and returns. While you may be able to inspect the quality of products at the start of your dropshipping relationship, you will likely have limited control over the quality of the items you sell on an ongoing basis. If the products fail to meet customer expectations, your business could receive negative customer reviews. Now let's see, how quickly do you want to ship products? E-commerce customers tend to expect quick shipping. In a recent survey, nearly 84% of people surveyed regarded delivery as an essential part of their online shopping experience. Long shipping times can negatively impact your business. When working with a dropshipping supplier, review its standard shipping costs and delivery timeframes. For sellers looking for fast order fulfillment services, a service like FBA can be valuable. Now, let's see, how much capital do you have access to? In some cases, the dropshipping business model allows you to hold off on products procurement until customers actually place orders. This can make dropshipping attractive to entrepreneurs who want to get a business up and running with a limited inventory investment. Some alternatives like third-party fulfillment also allow you to launch and run your business with less capital compared to sourcing, storing, and shipping products on your own. What is your target profit margin? Compared to other business models such as owning a retail store or building your own order fulfillment center, dropshipping has a lower barrier to entry. Unfortunately, this can mean more competition for your business. The playing field can be highly competitive for business that use dropshipping. Dropshipping sellers are commonly able to offer products at low prices because they are invested so little. If you use dropshipping for your business, you may earn low profit margins. You might be able to overcome some of these issues if you position your business within a niche outside of any hyper competitive field. Find potentially profitable or less competitive niches through market research, networking, and sales, or investing in differentiating your brand. Are you ready to handle supply and inventory issues? If you choose to use short dropshipping, you may have little to no control over the supply chain. Delays in production might determine how many orders your dropshipper is able to fulfill. Having to disappoint your customers by informing them an item is out of stock is hopefully the exception and not the rule. Sourcing products through multiple dropshipping services is one way to avoid running low on product inventory. When one supplier is out of needed product, you can rely on another. However, working with multiple suppliers adds complexity to logistics and fulfillment, which may defeat the purpose of a dropshipping strategy. How will you handle refunds, returns, and replacements? Returns are an inevitable part of e-commerce business. Sometimes the return process can be simple as a customer contacting you regarding an item they would like to return. The customer sends back the product, then you refund the customer and contact the dropshipping supplier to credit or reimburse you. But this is not always the case. Be prepared for more complex return and replacement processes. Take the time to understand how dropshipping services handles returns before creating your refund and return policy. Think through the steps of the e-commerce transaction. Here are some examples of questions to ask before signing on with a dropshipping supplier. Who is responsible for defects? Who covers return shipping fees for defective items? Who are the suppliers' restocking fees? What are the suppliers' restocking fees? What is the return window for customers? Questions like these can help you understand a dropshipping agreement and help paint a clearer picture of potential costs involved before you make changes to your business model. How will you manage customer fulfillment questions and concerns? Even though you may not physically handle the products, you may still need to respond to customers' questions and concerns about a shipment, delivery, or product quality. A seemingly small miscommunication with your dropshipping supplier can result in negative reviews and poor customer service. To avoid this, consider the entire purchasing process from the customer's vantage point. Pay special attention to the following aspects of the customer experience. After ordering, do customers get a shipping notification on when to expect their orders? Do packages arrive in the expected time frame? Do products arrive in proper condition? Is the packaging a good reflection of your brand? Optimize each of these touch points to create a positive customer experience which can help you earn positive reviews and build brand loyalty. Now let's see what are the alternatives available to dropshipping. If dropshipping is not right for your e-commerce business, there are alternatives. Here are a few options if your goal is to outsource fulfillment. Outsource storing and shipping products with third-party fulfillment. As an alternative to dropshipping, some sellers purchase products in bulk, then enlist the help of a third-party fulfillment service to store items, pick and pack orders, and handle the shipping to customers. This approach allows you to procure products upfront, potentially at lower costs. You can also access the quality of items before they ship to the fulfillment center, offer promotions and special offers on products, offer product bundling or subscription services through some providers. If you would like to outsource fulfillment while maintaining control over product quality, learn about FBA. Create your own branded products. At some point in life of your business, you may require specialty products featuring your own branding. Selling branded products can help your business grow by helping you differentiate your business from other e-commerce brands, earn customer loyalty by building a unique online experience, building a memorable e-commerce brand identity, building brand recognition to help you launch future products, build an asset, your brand identity. Some sellers find a dropshipping supplier to add individualized touches like special packaging and branding and create branded products or white label products. Another option is to have a manufacturer produce branded products in bulk, then use FBA for distribution. This method lets you take advantage of Amazon's fast prime shipping, helping you stand out in the crowded e-commerce market. Focus on promotion and earn a commission through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a different business model altogether, but it's worth considering if you'd prefer to avoid managing customers, orders, and returns entirely. Affiliate marketers don't sell any products at all. Instead, they promote products for an e-commerce retailer and collect a commission when a customer purchases through a unique referral link. While affiliate marketing is an advertising business model as opposed to a retail solution, it can provide benefits such as minimizing startup or overhead costs while allowing you to build an audience and earn money when products you promote to your audience results in sales. Now let's see how affiliate marketing works. With affiliate marketing, you market a product online and include a link for customers to buy the item. The link takes customers to a website where they can place an order directly. You get paid when the customer uses your referral link and makes a purchase. The supplier handles the order confirmation, fulfillment, and shipping. Affiliate marketing can be a way to jumpstart your e-commerce business or monetize an existing asset such as a blog or email list. Since you don't stock, process, or ship the products, you may be able to operate with relatively low overhead costs. You can also start an affiliate marketing business using your own website or social media accounts. Outsource customer management to your supplier, which then acts as the seller of record and handles customer communication. Outsource returns or order management to your supplier. Unlike dropshipping, if you use affiliate marketing, your supplier handles returns for products. Thus, there may be a set window in which the supplier holds your commission payment, after which you get paid. Conclusion: at the end of the day, only you can decide whether dropshipping is right for your business or not. While it may be appealing not to handle physical products, pay for warehouse space, ship orders, or manage stock levels, there are drawbacks as well. Weigh your options and goals in order to find the right online selling and fulfillment strategy to help you grow your e-commerce business. Hope you guys enjoy the video and found it informative. Until next time, goodbye.